Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. This video will clarify your all queries regarding savings account. If we miss anything or you have any kind of questions, you can comment us below. Let's begin. The number of savings accounts you should have depends on your financial goals, preferences, and specific circumstances. Here are some factors to consider when deciding how many savings accounts to have. Financial goals. If you have different financial goals, such as an emergency fund, a vacation fund, and a down payment for a house, it might make sense to have separate savings accounts for each goal. This can help you track your progress toward each goal more easily. Budgeting. Having separate savings accounts can also help with budgeting. You can allocate specific amounts of money to different accounts, ensuring that you're consistently saving for different purposes. Emergency fund. It's generally recommended to have an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Having a dedicated savings account for your emergency fund can provide peace of mind. Savings goals. If you're saving for short-term goals, e.g., a vacation, and long-term goals, e.g., retirement, separate accounts can help you keep these funds distinct and easily accessible when needed. Interest rates. Some banks offer higher interest rates for specialized savings accounts, such as high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. If you're looking to maximize your savings, you might consider opening different accounts to take advantage of these rates. Simplicity. On the other hand, having too many accounts can become cumbersome to manage. If you find it difficult to keep track of multiple accounts, it might be better to consolidate into fewer accounts. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with maintaining multiple savings accounts. Some banks charge fees if you don't maintain a minimum balance or if you exceed a certain number of transactions. Personal preference. Ultimately, the number of savings accounts you have should align with your personal preferences and financial management style. Some people prefer simplicity and manage well with just 1 or 2 accounts, while others prefer the organization that comes with having multiple accounts. Before opening multiple savings accounts, take some time to evaluate your financial goals, consider your ability to manage multiple accounts effectively, and compare the benefits and fees associated with different account options. It might also be helpful to consult with a financial advisor to get personalized advice based on your situation. FAQ section. How many savings accounts should I have? The ideal number of savings accounts varies based on your financial goals and preferences. Some people find value in having separate accounts for different goals, while others prefer simplicity with fewer accounts. What are the benefits of having multiple savings accounts? Multiple savings accounts can help you allocate funds for specific goals, track progress easily, and potentially earn higher interest rates. They also aid in budgeting and keeping emergency funds separate. How can multiple accounts help with budgeting? By allocating money for different purposes into separate accounts, you can ensure that you're saving for each goal consistently and avoid accidentally spending funds earmarked for specific objectives. Should I have a dedicated emergency fund account? Yes, having a dedicated emergency fund account is recommended. This account helps cover unexpected expenses and provides financial security in times of need. Can having too many savings accounts be problematic? While multiple accounts can offer benefits, managing too many can become overwhelming. Keeping track of numerous accounts might lead to confusion and make financial management more challenging. Are there any drawbacks to having multiple accounts? Some banks may charge fees for maintaining multiple accounts or may require minimum balances. Additionally, managing several accounts might complicate financial organization if not done thoughtfully. How should I decide the number of accounts to open? Consider your financial goals, ability to manage accounts, and preference for organization. Evaluate benefits like interest rates, but balance them against potential fees and the ease of management. Should I consult a financial advisor before opening multiple accounts? Consulting a financial advisor can provide personalized guidance based on your specific financial situation and goals. They can help you make informed decisions about the number of accounts to open. Can I consolidate my accounts if I have too many? Yes, you can consolidate accounts if you find it challenging to manage multiple ones. This simplifies your financial management and reduces the risk of overlooking accounts. What's the primary takeaway when deciding on the number of savings accounts? The key is to find a balance between your financial goals, preferences, and the practicality of managing your accounts. The number of accounts you choose should align with your overall financial strategy. Thanks for watching.